So that's the back side of the panel. Just place it, select the recipe, press start. So robot is automatically detecting the dimensions of it and started working just based on the images. Now it's on AC power. We are going to unplug it. It went to battery mode. Robot is still working like nothing happened. It didn't even know the battery is plugged off. So it can still run for 20 minutes. It will show how long it can run, 20-21 minutes. We're gonna plug the battery back up. Robot is still working, nothing ever happened. And it went to AC mode again. And it shows how much battery is remaining. It's all on the touch screen. It's so compact. It comes with the wheels, so you can just hold it and carry it around wherever you want. Place it, change the recipe, and press start. That's all. So it will start without doing any measurements. It already knows where the edges are. Quick, instant, place the board, take it off. As easy as that. Now here comes the precision part. This is the laser. It's detecting the edges so precisely, and then it's going to go in the corner to catch the very edge, to minimize the need for any human sanding at all. It goes into the very edge. Now it's going to do another pattern to remove any swirl marks, any lines. It's a continuous flow of motion. So it took 1 minute 52 seconds for all the patterns. So it also shows how many boards we sanded today, total board sanded, radius, all these parameters are adjustable on the fly. You get different recipes, precision part, so much. You have precision force calculator,